wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best chafing dishes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the winco crown will either be the most beloved serving dish of the event or will look rather overwrought and out of place depending on the context. That being said, as long as your decor is up to par, this luxury option serves its purpose well. It comes with an elegant molded cover handle and the wooden grips don't get hot. However, it doesn't have a lid holder. At number 9, for those looking for a one-time solution that they can easily dispose of and hopefully recycle after an event, the Party Essentials serving kit has you covered. Its 33 pieces include everything you need to serve up to 6 different dishes at once. It includes 6 cans of fuel and is great for outdoor parties, but the utensils are a bit flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Featuring a simple no-frills design, the zenchef upgraded have a generous 8-quart capacity, making them an excellent choice for serving large crowds. The stainless steel food pans are easy to clean and are NSF certified for safety. These are stackable for transport and storage, and the stands won't rust or tarnish. However, the thin metal bends rather easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chafing dishes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the artisan stainless steel is priced low enough that it's a sensible choice for the family that will probably only use it once or twice a year, but will still be glad to have it on hand to keep food hot for their guests on those special occasions. A vented lid prevents steam buildup, and a convenient rack holds the lid when open. It's available in 4 and 8-quart bottles. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're only going to have one of these in your life, the 6-quart winware round is a great looking and reliable choice, though it is a bit pricey. It's good for hotel buffets as guests can easily slide its lid open and close themselves. It locks in place at 90 and 180 degrees and has a polished mirrored finish. It comes with tongs and 2 fuel cans. Halfway up our list at number 5. What's a buffet with only one dish? The Tiger Chef 3-pack ensures you'll be able to serve a variety of options at your event, and each piece is accented with gold coloring, giving it an elegant look perfect for weddings and other special occasions. It's also available as a single unit and includes 3 sets of tongs. The pans and covers are dishwasher safe. At number 4, the Giantex full-size comes as a pack of 2 8-quart units, making it a great value. It's a good option to consider if you plan to serve multiple entrees or several hot courses at your dinner party or for any catered event. It features fuel burners that have lids for safety, an insulated design that won't burn food, and built-in hooks that hold the covers. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The stainless steel excellanté roll top is durable enough for frequent use by a restaurant or catering service. Its construction is great for a self-serve cafeteria or a buffet line, as it can be easily slid open and closed with one hand. It features stylish contrasting handles, an attractive minimalist design, and a full-length fuel plate. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chafing dishes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Tramontina Pro line is a commercial-grade option constructed from high-quality 1810 stainless steel, making it durable enough to last a lifetime. Plus, the food pan is oven-safe up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it to preheat dishes before serving. It's got an extra-large 9-quart capacity and a dripless water pan. It's great for both hot and cold foods. And taking the top spot on our list, offering excellent value for the price, the Tiger Chef 8-quart come as a set of 3, including stainless steel slotted serving spoons and 6 fuel gels to get you started, all for less than $150. They can also be used with disposable pans to cut down on cleanup. They boast a handsome satin mirror finish, cool touch plastic handles, and legs that collapse for compact storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chafing dishes, or simply click beneath this video.